Let's talk about the disadvantages that iMovie has. So the first one is that you cannot speed up video up to 2 times, 3 times. You can only do one, and that's very limited. So that's one thing that I don't like about iMovie, because if you want to make a time lapse in the iMovie app, you're gonna hassle to achieve that goal. So the next disadvantage is that you cannot reverse any video. You don't have that option right here in iMovie. There's no way that you can reverse a video. That's the one thing that I don't like about movie. And also the next one is the volume controls. They're very sensitive. Like if you want to like be very precise into, like, let's say 200% increase volume, it's gonna sometimes this thing doesn't like stay there, it moves around. You put it in the right number and then you move your finger and then it moves somewhere else. So that's one thing that I don't like about iMovie. Sometimes I wanna increase my volume up to 200 and I have to give it like 6 tries, 5 tries to get it right. And I would like to get rid of this icon right here and add like little arrows so you can have more control in the volume. So that's one thing that I don't like. Another thing is that you cannot add images, like let's say just right here or one image right here. You cannot do that. You have to add the entire image, like right here. You have to add it. And if you wanna like do something like this, you just can't. Like if you wanna add like little images, you can't. That's why I am adding right here emojis, because that's the only way that I can add images in iMovie. You can only add the entire image and it's gonna take the entire frame, and if you want to keep your audio going, you have to do more editing, and it's difficult to do that. I mean, it's tedious, it's not difficult, it takes more steps. And other apps add images very easy. That's one thing that I don't like about iMovie. And the last thing that I don't like about iMovie is the color grading or the filters. They're ugly. I don't like them. The ones that I only use is black and white and this one right here. When I make mistakes in my videos, I add those mistakes at the end of my videos, and just to make fun of myself and make people laugh. But look at this color grading stuff, like it doesn't look good. Look at this one, horrible. I don't like it. It looks washed out. I just don't like these filters, if you can call them filters. Look at this. That's that's so ugly. So I don't use their filters as much. I only use those two, black and white. And as you can see right here, I'm doing that. So these are the mistakes that I made, and I add them to the end of my videos so you guys laugh about me. But yeah, those are the limitations that iMovie has. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.